general managers, members, and most especially to our founder, Mr. Sergio Mabrodi. In the first place, I would like to greet you, sir, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, who made every one of us. Before I proceed, allow me to say hello. How are you? I hope that you are in a good mood. I know that you will be surprised upon listening this short message of mine, because there are so many online scam here in the Philippines, but I'm still audacious to participate this community with hope and prayer and be given with its consideration. By the way, my name is Danny Bukinkito from Dondoes Village, Mati City, Philippines. I'm here in front of you to express my message of happiness upon receiving the amount of 100,000 pesos from MMM Global Community or Mabrodi Mundial Movement. Sir, thank you very much for your system. I think my problem is being solved and my dreams will become true. So, I want to encourage or invite others to participate in this community, because I know that we are all suffering from financial problem, and I think and I can prove to you that this community that you are looking for. That's all. Thank you. Together we can change the world.